Hey guys, I'm Rich from NeoWin, and this is the Galaxy Z Flip, and that is the limited edition gold one. It's available in some markets. Now, what you're going to see in this video is a lot of it flipping and unflipping and opening various apps just to see what it looks like when it's flipped and not flipped, because that is the value proposition of this phone. It has a very thin glass screen, which is supposed to be stronger than most of the flexible OLED displays, which are mostly plastic that we've seen. So this is similar. The only similar device that we've seen so far to this is the Moto Razr, which is obviously that same vertical flip phone that folds along the horizontal axis. This also has a Snapdragon 855 Plus, a dual lens camera. So it doesn't have quite the camera chops that we saw today on the Galaxy S20. Really, the value proposition is that this is a flip phone. It's very pocketable when you fold it closed and you put it in your pocket. When you open it, it is very tall. It's 22 by 9, which is wildly tall. You can see also when you open the camera, you can have different camera interfaces based on how the device is folded. If you have it folded at a 90-degree angle, some apps will do some things. Now, other apps, on the other hand, will just do nothing. They'll just look like they're bent, which is very common and an issue with foldable screens. Now, Samsung was the first one to put out a foldable device, at least here in the US, with the Galaxy Fold that folded along the vertical axis. And obviously, that's the big difference here. This is more of a flip phone style device, and I have not reviewed the Moto Razr yet. From what I understand, this puts it to shame. The Moto Razr has tons of flaws, and obviously, this is more along the lines of a second-generation product to Samsung. They had a lot of troubles with the Galaxy Fold, and so they've learned a lot. So they're in a better place than most to make a foldable phone. So this guy starts at $1,380, which is not cheap, especially since it doesn't have the newest hardware. But I gotta say, it's really cool. It's something I would love to keep in my pocket, and yeah, it launches next week, which is also very cool. So that's it, guys. I'm Rich from NeoWin. Have a great night.